Hi everyone. Welcome to this video where I will show you how to get started with machine learning. Machine learning is a fascinating and powerful field that allows computers to learn from data and make predictions. But how do you actually learn machine learning? What are the skills and tools you need? And what are some of the applications and challenges of machine learning? In this video, I will answer these questions and more, and give you some tips and resources to help you on your machine learning journey. First of all, what is machine learning? Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence that focuses on creating systems that can learn from data and improve their performance without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning algorithms can be used for a variety of tasks, such as image recognition, natural language processing, recommendation systems, self-driving cars, and more. Machine learning is not magic, but it is based on some mathematical and statistical principles that you need to understand. So, what are the skills you need to learn machine learning? Well, there are three main areas that you should master: mathematics, programming, and domain knowledge. Let's look at each one in more detail. Mathematics. Machine learning relies heavily on mathematics, especially linear algebra, calculus, and statistics. You need to know how to manipulate matrices and vectors, how to compute derivatives and integrals, and how to apply probability and statistical methods to analyze data. These topics will help you understand how machine learning algorithms work and how to optimize their performance. Programming. Machine learning also requires programming skills, especially in languages that have good support for data analysis and machine learning libraries. Python and R are two of the most popular languages for machine learning, as they have many packages and tools that make it easy to work with data and implement machine learning algorithms. You should also be familiar with software engineering best practices, such as version control, debugging, testing, and documentation. Domain knowledge. Machine learning is not a one-size-fits-all solution. You need to have some domain knowledge about the problem you are trying to solve and the data you are using. You need to know how to define your problem, what kind of data you need, how to collect and pre-process your data, how to choose the right machine learning algorithm for your task, how to evaluate your results, and how to communicate your findings. Now that you know the skills you need, how do you actually learn them? Well, there are many ways to learn machine learning, depending on your level of experience, your goals, and your preferences. Here are some of the options you can choose from. Online courses. Online courses are a great way to learn machine learning from experts in the field. You can find courses that cover the basics of machine learning, as well as more advanced topics and applications. Some of the online platforms that offer machine learning courses are Coursera One, Udemy, edX, Udacity, and Kaggle. Books. Books are another way to learn machine learning in depth. You can find books that cover the theory and practice of machine learning, as well as specific topics and applications. Projects. Projects are the best way to learn machine learning by doing. You can find many datasets online that you can use to practice your machine learning skills and build your portfolio. Some of the websites that provide datasets are Kaggle, UCI Machine Learning Repository, Google Dataset Search, and Awesome Public Datasets. You can also participate in competitions or hackathons that challenge you to solve real-world problems using machine learning. Some of the platforms that host competitions are Kaggle, Driven Data, Codalab, and Crowd AI. Communities. Communities are a great way to learn machine learning from others who share your passion. You can find many online forums, blogs, podcasts, newsletters, and social media groups that discuss machine learning topics and trends. You can also join local meetups, workshops, conferences, and events that connect you with machine learning practitioners and experts. So, these are some of the ways you can get started with machine learning. Of course, there is no single best way to learn machine learning, as everyone has different backgrounds, goals, and preferences. The important thing is to find the way that works best for you and stick to it. Machine learning is a vast and exciting field that offers many opportunities and challenges. I hope this video has inspired you to start your machine learning journey and explore the wonders of this field. Thank you for watching and happy learning.